Welcome back children to our fourth video for chapter 7 Human Settlements, and today we are going to discuss urbanization in Brazil. What you see in the picture is one of the 7 wonders of the world, that is the statue of Christ the Redeemer overlooking the entire country of Brazil, situated at the coast of Rio de Janeiro. Okay, in the last video I had asked you to prepare a graph with the help of the given data. It is a line graph, okay, showing the urban population of Brazil from 1960 to 2010. Also, you need to calculate the rate of growth in urban population between these decades. Okay, so let's go to the graph. It should look something like this, okay, with the percentage given on the top. Now, to calculate the rate of growth of urban population between 1960 to 1970, you have to minus 47.1 from 56.8, and that is 9.7%. Then between 1970 and 1980, the growth is 9.2%. Between 1980 and 1990 is 8.6%. Between 1990 and 2000, it is 6.9%. And between 2000 to 2001, it has been the least growth rate of 3.1%. Okay, from these figures, how to calculate, I have explained in my previous video. So from these figures, we come to know that the rate of growth of urban population has been maximum between the decade 1960 to 1970, and it has been 9.7%. Then it reduced to 9.2% in the next decade, then it reduced to 8.6%, then it reduced to 6.9%, and then it reduced to 3.1%. So the rate of growth is the least between the decade 2000 to 2010. That does not mean urban population has not increased. Okay, when we say percent, we're talking about with regards to the total population. Okay, so compared to India now, children, we find in 1960 our our urban population was only 18%. Okay, but for Brazil, right from 1960, it has been 47 and then on a rise. And at present, it is 86% actually in the textbook. That is at present, that is now we are almost 10 years later. But in 2010, it was 84.6%. So, can you tell me what is the rural population of Brazil then according to 2010? How will you calculate? Yes, 100 minus 84.6. And how much is that? 15.41%. This is 15. Okay, so 15.41% is rural population in Brazil, contradictory to what we saw in India. Okay, in India in 2010, we had just a minute, 31.2% urbanized and 68.8% was rural population. Okay, so this itself gives us an idea that Brazil is highly urbanized. Is there a scope for more urbanization in Brazil? Let's think about it. Okay, is there a scope? Yes, in the western side, there is scope where people can move more to the west. We have seen in the chapter of population that southeastern part of Brazil is highly populated and highly urbanized. However, the western side, there isn't much population because it is not urbanized. Is there a chance of 100% urban population in Brazil? Not really, because the northern part of Brazil is covered by thick, dense forests. Okay, the Amazon Valley is completely filled with huge, dense forests, and urbanization there means degrading and destroying the forests, which is definitely not advisable. Okay, so therefore 100% is difficult, but yes, there is a scope for Brazil to be urbanized, especially the western side. Okay, so now that we have understood this part, I think we can proceed with the question answers that are asked over there. Okay, the first question is, what is the interval of data? The interval is 10 years. You can see it's a decade. In which period did urbanization occur rapidly? We have seen that it was the year 1960 to 1970 and the rate was 9.7%. Then write 5 sentences analyzing the graph. Okay, right from 1960, Brazil's urban population was high at 47.1%. There has been a steady rise in urbanization through all these years. In 2000, it reached 81.5%. Okay, here we reached to 81.5%, and since then the growth rate of urbanization has slowed down. It's come down to 3.1%. Okay, and the urban population has reached 84.6 in 2010. Okay, so that's what we need to remember, 84.6. However, in the latter part of the chapter, the present rate is 86%. Okay, which we will study very soon. Now, talking about urbanization in Brazil, it is one of the few developing countries of the world which is highly urbanized. Though it is developing like India, but it is highly urbanized country. This has led to rapid economic growth in Brazil. Today, 86% of the population of Brazil live in urban areas. Urbanization is mainly seen in south and southeast Brazil. If you remember, Sao Paulo, highly dense. Wherever the density is high, remember it will also be urbanized. Okay, so this chapter is also linked with the population. Sao Paulo is the major metropolitan industrial area of Brazil. Looking at this growth, which is only in one direction, that is in southeast, the government of Brazil is promoting this policy. I had mentioned it in my last chapter video. Okay, so the government of Brazil is promoting Go West policy. Can you tell me any policy that the government of India is promoting for us? Yes? Made in India. Okay, so that is our policy, Make in India. So that is a big policy for us, and that can change our rural structure into urban structure. But for Brazil, the policy is Go West. That means the government wants them to settle in the west, not to concentrate only in southeast. So once the population starts moving to the west, definitely industrialization will happen and urbanization will take place. What is Go West policy can come as a short note. Okay, looking at the rapid growth of urbanization and industrialization concentrated in south and southeast areas of Brazil, like Sao Paulo, the government is promoting the Go West policy. This policy will reduce the pressure on few areas, okay, of southeast where the population is concentrated. It will reduce regional imbalance in the country, which is seen at present. Okay, then you have another question here. You have to look at the choropleth map, which is given on page 50. Okay, and answer a few of these questions on page 49. Which state or region is most urbanized? And now look at the color code, 91 to 100%. We have Sao Paulo here. Okay, and also here De Janeiro can be an Espírito Santo, can also be another one. But we stick to Sao Paulo because that is mentioned in the textbook very often. However, even if you write the other two, it's not wrong. Which state or region is least urbanized? Now look at the color code, 51 to 60%, and that you find here in Para as well as in Maranhão. Okay, so you can write any one of this. Now, talking about the urbanization in Brazil, we find that more urbanization is seen in coastal areas, especially in the southeastern coast rather than in central Brazil. When we talked about population in chapter 6, there also we have seen that population in central area is not too dense. Sao Paulo, then Goiás, Minas. In case you need a proper pronunciation, children, for these, you can visit the site pronouncename.com. I had mentioned this when we did chapter 4 as well. Okay, so Goiás is another one, and Minas Gerais. Minas Gerais is another one which have more population living in urban areas. Sao Paulo, Goiás, Minas Gerais. Okay, these cities have more, or states have more population in urban areas. Amazon basin and Brazilian highlands that we have seen, especially the central region, have less urbanization, including the western side of Brazil also has less population. Then Manaus is the only, this could be for fill in the blanks now. Now look at the map on page 50. Okay, this map here, you find Manaus situated here with dark color. That means that is highly urbanized with 91.100% urban population. Why is it so? Though the climate is not favorable here, though it's in the next to the Amazon River. Okay, the main reason is because this is a port area. Okay, Manaus is a port on the confluence of River Amazon and River Negro. For this, you will have to go back to the physiography chapter, okay, and look out for the rivers of Brazil. River Negro and River Amazon, the meeting place is at Manaus. I had explained to you this when I described that chapter. I think it was chapter 3, okay, if I am not mistaken. Then Manaus is a port at the confluence of River Amazon and River Negro, and therefore this place is highly urbanized, and Manaus is situated here. Okay, very much in the northern region. Then we have colors of both. This we will discuss in the next video. So till then, take care and God bless.